do your best again in the coming years of educational journey. At this point, let us hear our words of gratitude from our kindergarten learner, Rosette Dorothy Y. Talisik. A big hand, please.
To our public schools district supervisor, Dr. Priscilla Cacano, Dep Ed Representative, Ma'am Lorna Locakit and Ma'am Lorna Liza Sassi, our school principal, Sir Dalmacio Mangasa. Dear teachers, our supportive parents, my fellow completers, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant morning. It is my pleasure to represent all of the Kindergarten 2023 completers. Today is a very special day for all of us as we celebrate our kindergarten completion. We have worked hard, learned so much, grown so much over the past year. I want to say congratulations to all of my classmates for making it this far. To our teachers and staff, thank you for helping us learn and grow. To my class advisor, teacher Cecil, thank you because you made learning so much fun with all your cool activities and games. And you always had a smile on your face. To my parents, I want to say thank you for your love and support. I love you so much and I'm so grateful for everything you do for me. To my classmates, thank you for being such great friends. We have had so much fun playing together, learning together, and making memories that will stay with us forever. As we move on to the next chapter of our education, let us remember everything we have learned in kindergarten. We have so much potential, and I can't wait to see what the future holds for all of us. Thank you and congratulations to the kindergarten completers of 2022. We did it!
Thank you, Dorothy.